A gold chain was stolen from a house. Only one statement is true. Who stole the chain? So we have ABC. So let's assume with this statement that A is the thief. Let us assume A is the thief. So we'll go one by one. A says B stole the chain. So A is telling false here. This is false. B said C is innocent. True. Because if A is guilty, the other two will be innocent only. C said A is lying. This is also true. Now, let us assume B is the thief. A said B stole the chain. True. B said C is innocent. True. C said A is lying. False. Because A and C are contradicting each other here. If A is false, B is true. If A is true, B is false. Okay, last one. We'll assume C is the thief. A said B stole the chain. False. B said C is innocent. False. C said A is lying. True. A is lying because when this is false, this will become true. A is lying. So in this, we get very easily the first statement. We have got two, so not possible. Here also we have two true statements, not possible. Here we have only one true statement. So this is right. So C is the thief. A watch was stolen from a classroom. So we have PQR. Let us start with P. Assuming P is the thief. P said Q stole the watch. False, because P is the thief. That is our assumption. Q said R stole it. That is also false, because P is the thief. R said P is lying. So this is true. Because this is false means this will become true. When R is telling P is lying, they will be contradicting each other. They cannot be true at once. Okay. So let us assume Q is the thief. P said Q stole the watch. So this is true. Q said R stole it. This is false. R said P is lying. False. Because P has told the truth. So this is false. Here itself we get the answer because here we got one true statement. Here also we got one true statement. So it can be either P or Q. So directly we can answer it is cannot be determined. But let us go to R as well and try to understand. What if R is the thief? P said Q stole the watch. So this is false. Q said R stole it. This is true. R said P is lying. This is true because if this is false, this is true. So two statements are true. This is not possible. This is also possible. This is also possible. But we don't have any option like P or Q is the thief. So we'll go with this option cannot be determined. Three friends ABC are suspected of breaking a window. So who broke the window? So we'll take A first. Let us assume A broke the window. A said I did not break it. So A is telling false. B said C broke it. False statement. C said B is lying. True statement. So okay. So A we done. Now we'll assume B has broken the window. A said, I did not break it. True. B said, C broke it. False. C said, B is lying. True. Okay. Because in this case, when C says B is lying, these two will be contradicting each other. If this is true, this will become false. If this is false, this will become automatically true. Okay. Last option, that assuming that C has broken the window. A said, I did not break it. So this is true. B said C broke it. So this is true. C said B is lying. This is false. So we got two true statements here. So this is not possible. We got two true statements here. This is also not possible. And we have got only one true statement here. So A is possible. So it is A who broke the window. A purse was stolen during a party. XYZ. So who stole the purse? We'll assume that X is the thief. X says Y stole the purse. So this is false. Y said I am innocent. This is true. Z says X is lying. So Z and X are contradicting each other. So if this is false, this is true. If this is true, this is false. So since that is false, so this is going to be true. Next we have Y. Assuming Y has stolen the purse. X said Y stole the purse. So this is true. Y said I am innocent. This is false. Z said X is lying. This is false. Last one. Assuming that Z has stolen the purse. X said Y stole the purse. This is false. Y said I am innocent. This is true. Z said X is lying. This is true. Because if this is false, this is true. So we got two true statements here, not possible. X also we got two true statements, not possible. For Y we have only one statement. So this is the possibility. So Y has stolen the purse. Last question in this video. A secret file went missing. Who took the file? So we got M and O. So we'll assume that M has taken the file. M said N took the file. So this is false because our assumption is M has taken the file. N said M is innocent. This is also false. O said N is lying. So these two are contradicting each other. So this will be true. If this is false, this will become true. That's it. Okay. M, N. Now next case is we are assuming N has taken the file. So M said N took the file. True. N said M is innocent. True. And N is lying. So this will be false because these two contradict each other. M and O. Last assumption is O has taken the file. M said N took the file. False. N said M is innocent. True. N is lying. So this will become false. So here we got one true statement here. And here also we got one true statement. So M is also a possibility. O is also a possibility. But in the options, we don't have M and O or M or O. So we'll go with this option D, cannot be determined. I hope the video was helpful to you. Please do like and share this video with your friends and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.